Good looking day ahead of us. A little cold though to start the day. In fact, one of the colder days of the season so far. We've even had a couple of spots showing single digits already this morning on the thermometer. But right now, here's a look at what we had on Monday when we had some pretty cold temperatures as well. We only reached 29 for the afternoon high. But watch the time lapse from CC Heights. The tree lights up and the sun disappears. And that's a look from CC Heights to the heart of Rochester with our Lewis Donato camera. Temperatures out yesterday, upper 20s. We reached 29 in the Med City. Will likely be warmer than that by lunchtime today. We start though at a colder level here at the studio. It's 14 degrees. Winds very light out of the south, 2 miles per hour. So the wind chill matches the actual air temperature. Air pressure is steady, 30.17 inches of mercury. Already now a glimmer of daylight along the southeastern horizon. So pretty exciting stuff. We know there's going to be a lot of sunshine, and with that sun in our weather picture, and a little more of a southerly breeze kicking in later today. Very light winds, but more of a southerly flow. That's going to help us warm up a little more quickly than yesterday, reaching the mid, maybe upper 30s in a few spots. We start, though, at a very cold level, 13. The official temperature right now in Rochester at the airport, 12 in Austin, Winona 14 and 10 degrees in Charles City, Iowa. Looking outside now live with our Lewis Donato camera. Temperatures in the teens here in the Med City. It's calm. Air pressure steady, 30.14 inches of mercury. Future track satellite radar, not a cloud to be seen regionally. It may be like that all day long. Big strong area of high pressure suppressing cloud cover development. Keeping all the activity to the west of us. One little clipper system coming out of Canada, it's going to dive straight southward, being diverted in more of a southerly direction, and high pressure will stick around instead and keep us bright and seasonably chilly, though, for today. Some cold weather, but sunshine expected all week long. In fact, temperatures close to, if not just a little bit above the seasonal average, but altogether, typical early winter type stuff, but minus maybe some bumpy roads ahead where it looks like our weather's going to be very pleasant, very tranquil, very peaceful for quite some time. And it looks like the slightly warmer weather for the weekend looks even better than this, maybe even a shot at 40 by Saturday. But 16 for that morning commute, a tranquil commute, a light southeast breeze at 4 miles per hour. Plenty of sunshine throughout the day, going from the 20s. We'll be right around the 30-degree mark at lunchtime. 35 the expected high around 4 o'clock this afternoon. So 35 today, stay in the 20s tonight. Not quite as cold as last night. And then tomorrow we'll tack on a few degrees on top of that, getting close to 40. In fact, for Wednesday, even though the little system to the west will graze us with maybe just a few clouds. But otherwise, that's the only impact from that system. High pressure sticks around for today. Some very light snow showers in parts of the plains. But we have some of the cloud debris spilling into the area for later tomorrow. Just a few cirrus clouds, maybe a few more clouds again on Thursday. So fairly quiet weather otherwise, with just a gentle westerly breeze between tomorrow and Thursday, and then high pressure comes in behind that for the end of the work week and into the weekend. And that keeps things bright and very pleasant, very tranquil, with daytime temperatures making their way into the upper 30s and low 40s. Again, by the weekend, that's way warmer than the seasonal average for the start of December, the first weekend of December. The warm air is still building in. We look at the jet stream staying held north of us, so we have a nice little ridge developing into the weekend that helps that warmth build in. And see the result at surface temperatures, upper 30s and close to 40 for the weekend and even next week. And all those numbers were quite a bit warmer than 32. That would be typical, again, for this time of the year. 35 today at Rochester, Austin 38, and 37 in Charles City, Algona, Iowa 40 with southeast winds on the light side, only around about 5 miles per hour for the most part. Tonight, seasonably cold, mainly clear, a low of 19. And your 7-day forecast, temperatures in the 30s to around 40 all week long, but no raindrops and no snowflakes. All very dry, peaceful weather for quite some time.
December is starting on a pleasant note.
It is.
Thank